Hello wannabe mechanics, in this video we are going to show you how to do the maintenance job on a 2014 BMW X3. It is a very simple operation as all filters are very accessible and you don't need a lot of tools. If you follow the steps shown in the tutorial, it will take you less than 1 hour to perform the maintenance.
Don't go anywhere guys, meet you back in the shop right after our short intro.
The tools you will be needing for this operation are a 17mm socket for the oil drain plug, a ratchet wrench, a 27mm flex head socket, a flathead screwdriver, an 8mm socket, and some brake cleaner. The new pollen filter, the new oil filter, the new air filter, and 6 liters of engine oil. On this model you don't have to remove the splash shield as there is a small panel that gives access to the oil drain plug. There are two 8mm bolts securing this access panel. And here is the drain plug. Place a container under the drain plug and release it using the 17mm socket. Don't forget that the engine must be still warm when doing it. While the oil drips, you can start replacing the oil filter. Use the 27mm socket to remove the cap of the oil filter. Place the cap along with the filter into a container. Use a suction tool to remove any remaining oil from the filter's housing. Replace the O-ring on the cap with the one that comes with the new filter. Grease the new O-ring with some used oil and insert the new oil filter. It's easier if you first insert the filter into the housing and then the plastic cap. Thread the cap and apply a tightening torque of 25 Nm if you have a torque wrench. The air filter's housing is located right in front of the engine and the cap is held just by two metal clamps. The pollen filter is located here. First remove these weather strips and place the hose aside. To remove the plastic grill, you have to press this clamp and pull upwards. And now you have access to the pollen filter's housing. Remove the cap and then the two filters. To insert the new filters, you need to take out this plastic frame and place it between the two layers. Place back the cap, the grill and the weather strips. Apply the new metal washer and thread the drain plug. About 30 Newton meters should be the right tightening torque. Use some brake cleaner to remove any oil stains. You can now place the access panel back. Time to pour the new oil. From time to time, check the level of oil on the dipstick. You don't want to pour more oil than the maximum limit. Place a note with the date of the maintenance, the due date for the next one, the oil capacity, viscosity and brand used, and any other necessary information.
Thank you very much for watching. Use the comments section for any questions or suggestions, and if you find our videos interesting, make sure you subscribe for the latest wannabe mechanic videos. Bye bye.